the littlest chef.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Littlest Chef. My name is Natalie, and in today's video, we are making coconut rock cake, aka Haitian Konparet. So let's get cooking. So the first step in baking in general is to cream your butter and your sugar. So right here, you see that I'm adding a tablespoon of butter and our brown sugar, and we're gonna mix that up until everything is nice and creamy. And to this mixture, we're going in with 2 eggs, and just be very careful when you're cracking your eggs so that you don't get any shells in the mixture. We're gonna mix until all the wet ingredients are nicely combined. Add in some lime zest. And some vanilla extract. Add in some fresh ginger juice from some freshly grated ginger. And we're going to add some honey to this as well. And then we're going to mix until everything is nice and smooth. And then we're going to go ahead and mix up our dry ingredients. So here we have some fresh cinnamon. We're also going to add some salt and some double-acting baking powder. And double-acting baking powder actually has baking soda in it, so you don't have to also add in baking soda. And then we're going to add in some flour, and for this recipe, we are using white flour. Here is some candied ginger I bought from the supermarket. Make sure you read your ingredients. Your candied ginger should only say ginger and sugar. If there are other ingredients in there, it is not clean. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of freshly shredded coconut. And we're gonna mix. And then once everything is nice and combined, we're gonna go ahead and add our wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Like I always say, don't let anything go to waste. Make sure you go to town and go in and scrape that butter off the sides of the pan. All right, so this Konparet rock cake should really be like a dry cake. It shouldn't be watery when you're mixing it. So don't be afraid if you see that the dough is very rough and there's not a lot of liquid. that's actually the consistency that you're looking for. A rough dough that almost looks like Play-Doh. So you're gonna go ahead and mix that up. And this, I felt like I was doing a workout here. That dough was so hard. Just try your best and make sure you're incorporating all your ingredients together. And if you get tired using the spatula, you know you can always go in with your hands and mix up the dough that way. That dough was so hard. Struggling so much, those veins are popping out of my arm, guys. Oh my goodness. So once everything is nice and combined, your dough should look something like that. And you're gonna get your pan, put some parchment paper on the pan, and then roll everything up into big meatball size pieces of dough. I like to make my konparet very big. So these are going to be some gigantic konparet. I think I made 6 or something like that with this recipe. But if you want to make yours smaller, you definitely can do that. So while I'm making the little meatballs here, I'll share with you a quick fun fact that konparet is actually a dessert or bread from Jérémy, Haiti. And this is one of my dad's favorite desserts, so I make this for him every holiday season. It's time consuming, but it's definitely worth it in the end. So now what I want to do is go in and flatten out the rock cake with my hand. And I love to take a knife and just run the knife through each of the konparet to make a nice little design. And then you're gonna pop these in the oven at 350 degrees for about 1 hour. This is how it looks beforehand. And this is the beautiful konparet 1 hour later. So this rock cake actually makes a wonderful holiday gift. So what you can do is wrap each of them up in some saran wrap and throw those babies in a holiday gift bag and you're all set. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope that you try this recipe and share it with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next video.